Hey there, I'm in Virginia, just did a training seminar about grief and loss for foster parents at the National Foster Parent Association's annual conference. I love coming to the National Foster Parent Association's conferences, and if you get a chance, make sure you attend one of their annual conferences. During the seminar, I was reminding foster parents that feelings of grief and loss for them, for us, is very, very normal. Because when a child leaves our home, it's like losing our own child, right? Absolutely. But what I was telling the foster parents this, I was reminding them of one thing. Caseworkers have feelings. Caseworkers have emotions. Caseworkers do indeed experience feelings of grief and loss as well. You see, when a child is removed from my home or removed from your home, it's often a time where we have feelings of grief and loss, absolutely. But they do too, because it's a decision that's out of their hands. It's a decision that they may not agree with. It's a decision that is often made by the judge or by the court. A decision that the caseworkers may strongly and vehemently disagree with, leaving the caseworkers disappointed, frustrated, confused, and even sad. I recently had experience a couple years ago, about some children that were placed in my home. They were there for about 5 days, a 13-year-old, an 11-year-old, and a 10-year-old. And then I got a phone call one day from the caseworker. The caseworker told me this: Dr. John, we had court today, and the children were removed and placed with an uncle, a very, very young uncle, in another state. And I was very upset, and I said I didn't get a chance to go. And the caseworker said, we know we didn't have the opportunity to give you a call. It was very, very sudden. The caseworker went on to tell me that it was a decision that she very much strongly disagreed with. She argued for the children to be placed in our home, to stay in our home, but the judge overruled, leaving the caseworker very, very upset, very, very disappointed, and very, very hurt. So we both grieved. Does it make it easier? Perhaps. But I want you to keep this in mind. Your caseworker is a human being who has the same emotions that you do. When a child is removed from your home and you're confused and you're upset and you're disappointed and you're very sad about it, chances are the caseworker may be feeling the same type of emotions. For Foster Care 101, hey, next time you see your caseworker, make sure you give him a good old hug, will you? Tell him thanks. I'm Dr. John DeGarmo.